Hello, this is Amar, and we are right now at the Daily Dump headquarters. And at Daily Dump, we are a 14-year-old waste management organization. So when we started 14 years ago, the problem that we were trying to solve of waste management, we were tackling it from a very household angle and saying, how can we change people's behaviors and perceptions towards waste, and how can we enable them to make decisions at home to solve this problem and become change makers from their household itself. And composting is a natural thing. It happens in the wild. It happens in the world. Like if I threw a banana peel right here, which I shouldn't, but if I did it, it would eventually decompose. No one stops nature. Like all of us, everything around that you see is eventually going to go back to the earth. Our hand holding of customers is pretty strong, and I think that's one of our big points about Daily Dump, where if you ask our customers, the number of calls and the number of interactions that we do with the customer to make sure that they are composting. Even for a small household of say 4-member family anywhere in Bangalore, if any problem, we send a person to the household to sort it out also. So since we have a different types of customers, like we have communities, we have single households, we even do it for say cafes or hotels and everything. So the cost part of it becomes a little different with different segments. Let's say we talk of a household. Now for an average household of say 3 members in living in any Indian metro city, composting they can start say up to around 2,000 or 2,500 rupees max is what they would have to spend initially on getting a composter set up in their household. A composter that we first came up with when we first started was a terracotta composter. It's called a khamba, and it's got these 3 terracotta units and a lid on the top. Why terracotta? One, it's a wonderful material to compost in. Traditionally, as compared to say food grade plastic, terracotta absorbs moisture. It makes sure there is enough air moving inside that enables it to compost. It's like a terracotta composter by Daily Dump has been there in people's homes for the last 14 years also. Our very first customers who bought it, they're still using it. We also do community composting where we have a product called the Gobble Max. So in the Gobble Max, you can add up to 5 kgs of waste per day. So this we specifically designed for small apartments or say 10 families living together, 15 families, so depending on that. So we also do leaf composting, which is a very simple form of composting because leaves themselves have a lot of carbon. So over there you don't even have to add coco peat. What you do is you just take up leaves, you put it in that composter, and you put a microbial culture and water it. We've seen COVID impact our business a lot, especially when we look at say communities. The people would rather make decisions on sanitizing stations and things like that right now. So we saw that the willingness of people to spend on waste management has been delayed a little bit now. So they're saying, okay, let's hold on to this. We'll probably do it a few months later. Although our business is more on wet waste and composting, we find that people are now really struggling to deal with the dry waste part of things. So they want solutions for that. And waste management as an industry is right now, I mean, it's always been so important and doing literally a service to the nation and on managing the waste that the nation produces on a daily basis. But now more than ever, it's high time and very urgent that we look at improving our waste management services and products that are there in the market, and also improving the systems that the government is running to do it, because it's just going to pile up a lot more.